The ESChat D-pad software will turn your feature phone into a powerful communication device. Instantly communicate with push-to-talk technology for a quick and convenient conversation without the need of a smartphone or separate PTT device. This overview will cover the basic use and functionality of the ESChat app by demonstrating how to navigate the tabs, view the in-call screen, make a PTT call, and send a message from both the Contacts and Channels tab. We'll start by navigating the tabs. Users have two options for navigating tabs. The first is the navigation drawer. The second is the directional keypad. We will start with the navigation drawer. To open the navigation drawer, press the soft key below the menu button and see the navigation drawer appear. Scroll down and select the desired tab. For this example, we will navigate to the Recents tab. Users may also navigate with the directional pad. Users can press the left or right keys to move between tabs. Pressing the left side once will take us to the Messages tab. Press again, and we see the Channels tab. Once more, and we've returned to the Contacts tab. Next, we will demonstrate how to make a call from the Contacts and Channels tab. To make a private one-to-one PTT call from the Contacts tab, first, make sure the highlighter is on the desired contact. Then, press and hold the PTT button on your feature phone. This will vary depending on the device. Once you hear the grant tone, begin speaking. Upon call connection, the app will automatically navigate to the in-call screen, where users can see the call participants and details about the call. The call will idle time out when the configurable hang timer expires, or you may manually end the call by pressing the return button on the device. To make a PTT call from the Channels tab, select the desired channel, then activate TX. The channel is now ready to send and receive calls. Press and hold the PTT button, and once you hear the grant tone, begin speaking. The call will automatically navigate to the in-call screen. To return to the Channels tab, press the return button on the device. The call will idle time out when the configurable hang timer expires, or you may manually leave the call by deselecting TX. Lastly, we will cover how to send a message from the Channels and Contacts tab. To send a message from the Channels tab, long press on the channel you wish to send a message and see the secondary menu appear. Then select Messages, and you may now compose a message. To send a message from the Contacts tab, navigate to the Contacts tab by opening the navigation drawer. Then select Contacts. Once in Contacts, long press on the contact you wish to message. Then select Messages. You may now compose a message. For additional assistance, visit the ESChat support page.